Guys, your body is going through a lot of changes, some of which may be more uncomfortable than others. As your penis grows and you start releasing more of the male hormone testosterone, you'll start to feel the urge to masturbate. If you're 14 or older, chances are you have already. And while it might seem embarrassing to talk about, rest assured, most teens do it. And if they deny it, they're probably lying. But a lot of teen boys wonder, what's unhealthy or unhealthy when it comes to masturbation? Am I masturbating too much? Let's dive right in. First of all, it's important to note that masturbation is in no way harmful to your body. In fact, it's good for you. When you masturbate, you're releasing sexual tension that builds up as you go through puberty. While you might not ejaculate every time, if you do, you can expect semen to exit the penis, which is made of fluid and sperm. One day, if you want to start a family, this is the stuff that will fertilize a woman's egg and make a baby. We've heard some very disturbing rumors about masturbation, including myths like you'll go blind, it'll stunt your growth, you'll run out of sperm and won't be able to have children, or people will know you've been masturbating just by looking at you. Guys, none of these things are true. Honestly, the only risk masturbation poses is skin irritation from old semen. So consider using a lubricant like KY jelly or lotion, and always wash your penis thoroughly afterwards. The desire to masturbate is a normal part of growing up, and ignoring it is just not listening to your body. You shouldn't feel shame or guilt for wanting to do something that men have been doing for thousands of years. How much you masturbate is up to you, and even multiple times a day or only once a month is completely normal. If you do feel that masturbation is controlling your life, don't be afraid to speak to your parents or a therapist. We know masturbation can be difficult to talk about, but asking questions will definitely make you feel much better about what you're going through. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to continue navigating puberty with confidence.